about to fly this WLToys V912. I've already flown this helicopter for a few times. Just check all the balance and trimmings are good. And this is basically the review. No, just to show how the helicopter flies out of the box. This is the stock one. Right. Pulling up the rotor just to warm the motors up. Alright. The V912 is actually slightly tail heavy, so sometimes when fighting the wind we need to constantly pushing the cyclic forward. One is to go forward and one is to counter the heavy tail. And I'm using high rate now, and sometimes I also need to add some accelerate. And for some reason, I don't know, the helicopter somehow flies facing drifting to the left, facing slightly to the right. I don't know. See? It's really hard to fly straight. I need to apply a little bit rudder to the left in order to fly straight. Overall, it flies pretty good. Oh, it's about to rain now. See? Funny. Okay, reverse. Okay, go reverse. Accelerate. Oh, wind is pushing it towards me. We should do some circuit flying. See, it drifts to the left. It flies while facing slightly to the right. I don't know why. Kindly leave the comment in the comment section below. Does your V912 or your 4-channel fixed pitch helicopter flies this way too? Kindly let me know. Okay, take a closer look of the helicopter. Let's bring it closer. Let's land it. Try to land it. Right, and take off again. I've already repositioned the headlights to the boom to the facing downward there, as you might see. Alright, there. Oh, there's a bird. Let's do a high speed flyby. Oh, I'm flying my helicopter with the bird. Woo! Hey guys! Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa! Let's see. Will they follow? I think so. Are they preying on my helicopter? Whoa! Check this out, guys. I'm accelerating forward to fight the wind. Yeah, looks like the birds are following my helicopter. Whoa, check this out, guys. Okay, let's fly to the lamppost, right back here. Accelerating forward. Okay, let's try to land it. Maybe I'll approach from my left to land. Okay, I'll approach from my left. Okay, let's land it. Out of battery. Right, guys, that's about it. The flight review. That's about it. The flight of my V912 right out of the box in stock condition. I'm planning to do some modifications and some tweaks to it later. So do stay tuned for my future video posts where I'm gonna do some tweaks to the tail rotor, and I'm planning to do a scale fuselage to the fuselage of this helicopter. I'm planning to do a WLToys scale fuselage. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.